Hey, what's up YouTube? Amanda here from All That Matters, and I just wanted to jump on here real quick and let you know that we are doing the unboxing of the Solong tattoo kit from Amazon. And if you want to see the unboxing and see how we liked it, stay tuned and watch the video. Also, I wanted to let you know that we ordered Mom's ink from Amazon. This is a half ounce bottle. It was $7.99. This one's called Black Onyx. And it was absolutely horrible. It didn't stick to the skin at all. We were very disappointed. I don't know if this is mostly for shading, but we did line work and it was absolutely horrible. Very kind of disappointed about it. But the inks that came with the Solong tattoo kit, the black was really great. It stuck to the skin. It's bold. It's really nice. A lot of the colors that came in the kit, we did not try all of them, but the ones we did try, it was kind of half and half. Some of them stuck and some of them did not. So I don't know, it's kind of at your own discretion what you want to do about that. I definitely recommend, if you order this kit, to definitely order some better inks. Like I said, we only tried a couple of them, and some of them were really nice, and some of them just weren't vibrant and just didn't stick at all. So stay tuned for this unboxing, and please give us a thumbs up and let us know what you think of this video. Thanks. What's up, guys? So we ordered this Solong tattoo kit. I'll insert a photo of what we got. We ordered these extra skins from Amazon. There, I believe, is 5 double-sided tattoo practice sheets. So now we're gonna unbox this, like I said, the Solong tattoo kit. We got one that said it came with 2 liners, 2 shaders. Okay, so first looks like it came with its own practice sheet. And then the manual. Then you're going to want to unbox each one of these too. So this is what the first one looks like. Solong tattoo machine. So let's see what one of them looks like. It has the revolver, the little 6-shooter on there. And then this is the power supply.
Really don't need to know what power supply is normal.
Yeah, you know what the power supply is. This one is disposable tips. You gotta go for which one it is. I'm gonna show everybody. You got time to do stuff? Okay, so this is the little thing. It came with this. You put your inks in here, the little ink cup. So it comes with one of them. These are the disposable tips. I don't even know how many it came with, but it comes with these. So that's what that box is.
What they say.
Okay, and then, so that's that.
The other gun.
So this is another one. Ooh, you get the a gold one. So we got the red one and now the gold one. These are the coil ones.
They're
Coil machines. And here's a picture of the box.
They got some good weight to them.
Comes with, let me see, comes with rubber bands. Comes with cleaning kit. You got your Allen wrenches. Looks like some pipe cleaner things there. And then what are these? These are, I don't know what these things are. I can't see. I don't know, but we'll look. And here's some caps.
Those are the tubes that the needle goes through.
Oh, okay, so those are the needle tubes.
These are the rubber bumpers. They're called nipples. They hold the needle onto the machine.
Okay, so there's the nipples. And then it comes with a pair of rubber gloves. Here's another machine.
The blue one.
Here's a blue one. Ooh, I like the gold one.
Ooh, the black one.
Black one. So, okay.
2 tattoo needles, custom made.
So here's the gold one. Okay, what's in this?
2 tattoos. I'll show them on the camera.
Okay, so these are the needles. It comes with a pack of they came with assorted. So for example, this is the 5 round shader. So it comes with assorted needles is what it comes with.
Yep.
So alright, so I'm gonna set these aside and then we'll put them all back in the boxes later. Gotta be careful not to bend them.
Yep.
Yeah, it comes with a bunch of different ones of these, the gold. So I assume the gold would go with the gold if you wanted it, the blue with the blue. Okay, your power supply. It also comes with a foot pedal, which I assume is somewhere. So we got these, and then some more tips. It says everything was sterilized. Okay, your foot pedal, which some kits don't have them. And then, ooh, your inks. And so far, it doesn't look like any of them came open.
We heard bad reviews on these inks.
Well, we're going to find out. Just some of the reviews said some of them came open is what I was reading. So let's set these out. Look at all of them.
And this is the
We got a
box.
white. Nice. We also ordered our own ink, a separate ink, some better ink, which has not come yet. So when that does come, power supply.
It's a tuner.
Tuner, power supply, part of it. Alright, so that's pretty much everything that came in that kit. Like I said, that's the Solong tattoo kit. And I'll insert a picture of what the exact kit looks like on Amazon if you're interested in picking it up. The total price for all this was $59.99, I believe. So we got the 4 guns, the power supply, the pedals, some starter inks, tips, and needles. Alright, thanks guys. Thanks for watching.
Remember, it's all that matters.